Why soil test is must before construction in Bangalore. Welcome to Soil Design India Private Limited. Are you planning to build a house or apartment in a Bangalore? Before you start the construction, one critical step can save you lakhs of rupees and prevent structural failures. In this video, we will explain why soil testing is important in Bangalore, which buildings need it, and how Soil Design India Private Limited helps you. Bangalore has varied soil conditions from red soil to clay and even filled up with lake beds. Without proper testing, your building can face serious issues like foundation settlement, crack in walls, water seepages, structure instability. Soil test helps engineers understanding soil bearing capacity, groundwater level, soil type, and composition. This ensures the design, which directly impact the safety and life of your building. A small investment in soil test can prevent hug losses later. Who needs soil test? Many people think soil testing is only for large buildings, but that is not true. In Bangalore, every construction above 600 to 800 square feet build-up area should ideally have soil tested, especially requirement for independent houses, G+2 and G+3, right foundation, villas and duplex houses, apartment projects, commercial buildings. Even for small houses, soil testing help you avoid over design or under design of foundations. How SCON design helps you? At SCON Design India Private Limited, we provide complete soil investigation solution in Bangalore. Site inspection and borewell drilling, soil sample collection and lab testing, detailed soil report with SPC values, foundation recommendations by experts. We also integrate our experts in 3D scanning and precise construction data. Ensure accuracy and reliability for your project. Don't take risks with your dream home. Start with a strong foundation. Start with soil testing. Contact SCON Design India Private Limited today for reliable and accurate soil investigation services. Like, share, subscribe for more construction insights. Book your soil test today. Build safe, build smart.